Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this word problem using the concepts of limits. As per the problem, the fish population in thousands in a lake at time t in years is modeled by the following function. P at t equals 3 plus 1 over 12 t squared for t between 0 and 6 and 2 plus 1 over 18t squared for t between 6 and 12. This function describes a sudden change in the population at time t equals 6 due to a chemical spill. As per part A, evaluate limit t approaches 6 from the left side for p at t and limit t approaches 6 from the right side for p at t. Let's start with part A. We have to calculate the left-hand limit and right-hand limit for the function p at t. Let's start with the left-hand limit. For this left-hand limit, we should use the function 3 plus 1 over 12 t squared because for left-hand limit, we approach t equals 6 from the left side, and for the function 3 plus 1 over 12 t squared, the domain is from 0 to 6. We can evaluate this limit by subbing in t as 6. One over 12 times 36 is 3. I get 6. This is the value of the left-hand limit. Now we can evaluate the right-hand limit. For right-hand limit, we should use the function 2 plus 1 over 18 t squared because for this function, t is between 6 and 12. Now we can apply the limit. We should sub in t as 6. One over 18 times 36 is equal to 2. I get 4. This is the value of the right-hand limit. We are done with part A. Now we can answer part B. Determine how many fish were killed by the spill. As per the problem, the function p at t describes a sudden change in the population at time t equals 6 due to a chemical spill. That means the value of the left-hand limit we got in part A represents the population of the fish just before the chemical spill. The left-hand limit is equal to 6, and as per the problem, the function p at t represents the fish population in thousands. So the population of the fish just before the chemical spill is 6 times 1000, which is equal to 6000. This is a very important concept we need to understand to solve this type of problem. Now we can find the population of the fish after the spill. As per part A, the right-hand limit is equal to 4. 4 represents value of population function p at t just after the chemical spill. Since the function gives the population in thousands, we should multiply 4 by 1000. So the population of the fish right after the spill is 4000. We have to calculate how many fish were killed by the spill. For that we should subtract 4000 from 6000. which is equal to 2000. That means 2000 fish were killed by the chemical spill. This should be the final answer for part B. Now we can answer part C. At what time did the population recover to the level before the spill? In part C, we have to find the time it will take the population of the fish to recover to the level before the spill. As per our analysis in part B, the population just before the spill was 6,000. Since the given population function gives the value in thousands, the value of P just before the spill was 6. We have to find the time at which the population will increase back to 6,000 or the p-value 6. For that, we should use the second given function 2 plus 1 over 18 t squared, because this function represents the population of the fish after the spill. So we have to set this function equal to 6 and solve for t. There is a very important concept we need to understand to solve this type of problem. We have to isolate t in this equation. The first step is to subtract 2 from both sides. Six minus 2 is 4. Next, we should cross multiply the 18 to the right side of the equation. Eighteen times 4 is equal to 72. Next, we can apply square root to both sides. I get almost 8.5 rounded to 1 decimal place, and the unit should be years. Because the given unit of time is years, this should be the final answer for part C. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.